Hi there, I'll show you how you can add a scrolling announcement bar in your Shopify store's header without any coding knowledge. I will use a app. I'm searching for the app with the name is insert code. This is the app I will use. Just remember the icon. Clicking on it. Now clicking on the install. One more time install button click. Okay, the app is installed and showing the onboarding screen. Here you can see that the app is not connected with your theme. So to connect, you need to open the theme editor. You'll need to enable this app embed. So this is already enabled. I don't need to enable this. I'm just clicking on the save button. Okay, the scenes are saved. And now back to the app screen. Okay, here you can see that the app is connected already. Just need to click on the finish setup. Right now we don't have any snippet. So without creating any snippets manually, we will go to the library, snippet library. Okay, here is a ready-made snippet which is called a scrolling announcement bar. So we'll use this snippet instead coding all the things manually. So clicking on the use, add to my snippets. Okay, the snippets is added already. For quick testing, I'm just clicking on the status enable, save. Okay, let's view the store. Here you can see that the announcement bar is added already. If you hover over the announcement bar, it will pause. Okay, let me show you how you can customize the contents and the brand colors as well. Here you can see the edit everywhere. So those are the places where the edit comment, you can customize those things. Just read it properly. I'll show you how you can update the messages. I'd like to make it, for example, 60. You can update the message here, or for example, I'd like to change the background color to red. Okay, making it blue. Yeah, the color is changed. And you can also change the speed as well as the hover state. For example, if you don't want the pause on hover, you don't want to be paused, so you can change the value here. You can either use paused or running or any of the options above. And you can also change the text change from uppercase or capitalize here, or you can customize the whole snippet as well if you have the coding knowledge. That's all for today. Thank you.